Hey people, so we are at this place called California Burrito, and today being a Tuesday, they have a 1+1 offer, and this thing is called Mexican Sunrise. This is 7-layer vegetables, and that is 7-layer chicken. So Ayush, take a bite of both and tell us how it tastes. And this is for just like 49 bucks. And today being a Tuesday, it is we get 2.
9 out of 10.
And the 7-layer chicken is 60 bucks. And Mexican Sunrise, take a sip of it, my sweetheart. If I were to take a bite of this, yeah.
This. Okay. This
Okay.
is a 5 out of 10.
It's nice. 5 out of 10?
Yeah. And for this,
Eat your non-vegetarian thing. Ooh. But yeah, so everything on the table is, believe it or not, for 187 bucks. Everything on the table. Yeah, this is quite nice. It's having papad with a lot of vegetables. And this is Mexican Sunrise for 60 bucks. So truly people, this is one of these undiscovered gems, which is called, California Burrito, and more people need to come here. It's a cute joint with very helpful staff, and I highly recommend this place. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's close to 2-minute long video, which will tell you just how much I've enjoyed shooting this and coming here to California Burrito in the Panjagutta Mall, next Galleria Mall, Panjagutta. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.